Why your iPhone slow down? Here is how you can fix it. Your iPhone will slow down if you open so many windows at the background or you open so many functions on your iPhone that works at the same time. This will cause your iPhone to slow down. Unlike Android, where you tap once and close all the open apps on Windows, iPhone is intelligent enough for you to manually close which of these apps that you don't use or that is lagging, thereby reopen it again to its fully functionality. Now, to clear or to bring up your iPhone to its normal function, carefully swipe off from the base like this. Now you have all these open tabs on your device. iPhone make it easy for you guys to manually close this app by using your finger and wipes up one after the other. Then as well, you can combine two fingers and wipe two at a go like this. It means you've used your two fingers to wipe two out of it. Then if you're able to combine three fingers as well, you can use three finger and wipe out three of the apps like that on your device. The major reason here to make your iPhone work very well or faster is to close all the windows that you are not using on your device. So that's all guys. If you enjoyed this tip on how to make your phone work faster while slowing down, guys, subscribe to this channel for more updates like this.